Welcome to my product sourcing and e-commerce journey in China. Week 9 was an interesting week where I got to visit two events. One was a beauty products event and the other was a pet products event where I identified a few products for the market and the e-commerce platforms, and got to learn more about the new and future products in these two industries. I also got to network with manufacturers to discuss about the MOQs and also to discuss about the factory visits, inspection, and the manufacturing processes. In these next few days and weeks, I'll be posting more content of the products which I've identified while I'm making arrangements and to visit the factories and visiting more trade fairs and more exhibitions to share an insight of my product sourcing journey. If you're interested in Chinese products and if you're interested in buying products from China, I recommend you subscribe to this channel, as I'll be sharing more information and more content of my experience. Also, I am open to any criticism, I am open to any information, to any advice, to any guidance, because I'm willing to share this information for you to make it easy for you if you're interested in any products from China, life in China, and buying from China. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and make sure that you watch the future content so that you can understand and make it easy for yourself when you are sourcing and buying products from China.